Imagine you've just finished writing your very first children's book. You're excited, you upload it online, and then nothing happens. The sales trickle in, but not nearly as many as you hoped. Here's the truth. Writing a wonderful story is only the beginning. If you want your book to reach families everywhere, you need to master the art of marketing. Today, I'm sharing proven marketing hacks that have helped independent authors turn a single story into a thriving book-selling business, without a big publisher or a massive budget. Let's start with the most common mistake. Many children's authors believe that once their book is published, the hard work is over. But books don't sell themselves. The real magic happens when you start thinking like a marketer. And the good news? These strategies are simple, repeatable, and anyone can use them. First, focus on building a character-driven brand. Think about the most beloved children's books. Winnie the Pooh, Peppa Pig, Harry Potter. What do they all have in common? Memorable characters that kids and parents recognize instantly. Instead of promoting just one book, create a consistent character identity. Use the same colors, themes, and tone across your books and social media posts. This consistency builds trust and makes your stories stand out in a crowded market. Next, master social media storytelling. Posting random pictures won't get you far. Instead, bring your characters to life with short videos, narrated slides, or simple animations. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts are perfect for this. When parents see these mini-stories, they're more likely to share them with friends. Every share is free word-of-mouth marketing that can reach hundreds of new readers. Don't forget about Amazon KDP. It's the world's largest bookstore, but most authors barely scratch the surface. Use keyword-optimized titles, write engaging book descriptions, and choose the right categories for your book. This helps your book appear higher in search results and makes it easier for readers to find you. Each new release boosts the visibility of your entire collection, creating a snowball effect for sales. Another powerful hack is building an email list early. Social media platforms can change their rules at any time, but an email list is yours forever. Offer something valuable at the end of your book, like a free printable coloring sheet. Parents sign up to get it, and now you have a direct line to your audience. Every time you launch a new book, you can let your subscribers know, and watch your sales jump. Collaboration is key, too. Partner with parenting bloggers, teachers, or kid influencers. Exchange features, share reviews, or run joint giveaways. This exposes your books to new audiences who are already interested in children's stories. Finally, don't overlook local opportunities. Schools, libraries, and community events are great places to connect with families in person. Book signings and classroom readings not only boost local sales but also turn parents into superfans who spread the word online. By combining these hacks, character branding, social media storytelling, Amazon optimization, email marketing, collaboration, and local outreach, independent authors have grown from a single book to a recognizable brand with dozens of titles. Success in children's publishing isn't about luck. It's about using the right strategies, again and again. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this with any aspiring author who needs a boost. Your next bestseller could be just a few marketing hacks away.